Okay guys, the wind is really picking up and gusting. Keep checking on the animals to make sure everybody's okay. But it's really windy. I don't like it at all. Makes me nervous when they're out in the pasture and there's trees around. But everyone seems to be okay. Daisy's in her run-in. I'm super proud of her. It's taken a couple months. We just set it there and she's walked her way in. Somebody's missing her, even though she's rotten to the core to her. I am tickled pink about this. Look at you, princess. Look who's in her run-in. Oh, look at you, pretty girl. Do you like it in there? What a princess. It is windy here today.